Hey everybody, welcome back or to my channel. Today we're gonna be recapping another beautiful week. Well, last week I think we went over NAS 100, but this time I'm gonna be going over US30. Just want to let you know I do have a signals channel where I literally use this strategy to call out like 90% of all my signals. If you're not already in my signals channel, the link will be in what is that thing called? Description box. So make sure you click that link, join my signals channel. Also, another big shout out to everybody that's purchased the strategy this last week, matter of fact. Pretty much just gonna recap last week and show y'all what y'all missing out on. I think I already went back. Okay, so 18th, we are looking at US30. I'm already there. Sometimes I use the 5-minute time frame or 15-minute, but I've really been loving the 15-minute time frame. I started looking at US30 from 11 a.m. I already went over the strategy in the last video. If you haven't seen the video, make sure you watch that video. Go back and watch that video. It's a couple videos I've literally explained. Okay, boom. US30 15-minute chart, 11 a.m. This is on the 18th. The 18th was Monday. I'm gonna move on to the next candle because that's obviously not a good candle. I'm gonna keep pushing, keep waiting. That was close. Okay, it looks like we've been, what time is it? Okay, it is now 3 p.m. Honestly, usually after 2:30 or maybe 3, I literally stop because at that point I've been looking at my chart the whole day, 11 to 3. Because think about it, I started looking at NAS from 9 a.m. So really I've been looking at my screen for hours. So usually I just go ahead and throw it all away and just stop for the day around 3. Also because I don't like to get in anything close to 4 or 5, because y'all know how around 5 the market kind of closes for an hour, and then it's just it just kind of just messes up my whole thing. So no, at this point I am done looking at Monday. So Monday we're just gonna, I guess, exit out. We didn't lose, we didn't win, but we just didn't do nothing. So I'm gonna just run this until the next day. So let's just hit play. The 19th, I'm looking for 11 a.m. because that's what time I started looking at. Oh my gosh, was I too? Okay, no, this is still 10, which, by the way, I want to say I do have some people that have purchased the strategy and tell me with US30, they start looking around 9 a.m. and it works still, which I've mentioned before. You just have to find what time works for you best. And some of them say they do 9 and 11. It's all up to you. Make the strategy yours. You feel me? Okay, I'm gonna hit play and just wait until 11. So let's just keep going. Okay, it's finally 11, but I just wanna see something real quick. Okay, wait, no. Probably would have gotten off this candle. So if you were looking for 9, you definitely hit TP on that one. But anyways, it is definitely 11 now, but looking off my strategy and my setups and everything, I am not good to go. So we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait again. Oh, that was really close. Okay, first things first, I see blue is above red and we are definitely approaching the upside. I see both my lines and my candles are above my trend line, which is the orange line right here. And then my stochastic, I also see the same thing happening where blue is above red, which is what I want to see. I want to know we're buying. So, and my candle is green. So we are buying. So remember what I said, you guys, I don't get in off that exact candle. Okay, maybe sometimes I do. It depends on how I'm feeling, but I like to go back 10, 15 pips back. So, oh wait, why did I do that? So we are getting this for a buy. This is now Tuesday, 34,843. So 10 below that is 833. TP1 is always 100 pips, and then $100. Oh, let me rephrase that. TP1 is always 1,000 pips, which 0.01 is $100, not is $100. And then I also always have a TP2, which is double that, and it will be 2,000 pips, 0.01, $200. So you have the opportunity of making $300 off this one trade. And that's like the bare minimum you could make. And then for my stop loss, my stop loss with US30 is definitely a little more than NAS. NAS, I usually do a 1-to-1. So I'm risking 100 to make 100, but with US30, I'm gonna be risking 120. Okay, that's good. Let me just increase that a little bit. Okay, so now let's see. I'm just gonna hit play and see what happens. Okay, we are moving. Ooh. No, what did I do? This thing took me to SVX. Okay, I gotta go back to so annoying. Okay. Yeah, we hit TP. So I'm gonna move this to like 2000 pips just to see if we are gonna hit TP2. And then I'm gonna hit play. Actually, I feel like let me move this up some more. By the way, we got in this trade around 11:30 and we hit TP around 3, literally 3 on the dot. What is going on? How do I get rid of this? Jeez. Okay, hit play again. That was so close. By the way, I like to say at this point, you should have your stop loss at entry, but a lot of people don't do that because they just really like trust in the trade or whatever. Like if you just feel like it's gonna hit TP, you know? But I would very much have, okay, great. So we definitely didn't come all the way back down to entries, so we still were definitely in this trade, and then we officially hit TP2. So TP1, TP2 secured on a Tuesday, no losses so far. I'm gonna now fast forward this to the next day. Oh, we actually already are on the next day. TP2 hit at 7 a.m. and I want to get to 11 a.m. Let me hit play real quick. Okay. Ooh, did I go too far? Okay, 10:30. Wow. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. That thing went up. Okay. Anyways, don't be greedy. Just take your wins. Though I'm not gonna confuse y'all too much. Cause I really try to keep this like, I was gonna say PG-13, but I really try to keep this like kind of beginners level, because I know not everybody is like, if you are on YouTube watching people trade or watching them figure out like how to trade, you obviously don't really know how to trade. So I'm not even going to get too technical with it. Like I like to keep it real beginners level. Like I just want to show y'all, even if you don't really know what you're doing, this strategy will work for you too. Like I don't want you to focus on, oh my gosh, I got to look at my trend lines or my this and that. Like I really want to show y'all this could still work. Though if you knew your trend lines or whatever, support and resistance maybe, you probably would saw this from like right here and you knew, okay, let me do this. You probably saw this from like right here and you knew it's got to come back to at least right here because that was the last high. The market has like a way of repeating itself. So it's like, as far up as the last time it went up is most likely how far up it's most definitely going to go. But you being a beginner, just focus on TP1, TP2 because you don't know, you don't really know. So it's okay. Next day comes, don't be greedy. One thing about this, don't be greedy. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to 11 a.m. Boom. We are at 11 a.m. This is not set up for me. So I'm going to move on to the next. Move on again. Oh, wait. No. No. Nope. 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 Okay, this is technically yes, but personally, this kind of goes back to how you should know like your stuff. Okay, so what I'm seeing is we are already at our last high technically around this area right here. So let me just go ahead and delete that. But me looking at this, I'll probably be like, okay, I want to wait to see, because at this point we're either going to come back down or we're going to see like a break on the upside and it's going to keep buying. But you obviously, you don't know that. So I want to show you what you would do in this case. If you see your candles doing a whole bunch of up and down, it's most likely you have reached like, okay, it's called resistance, but in case you don't know what that is, but anyways, most likely you have reached a limit of how high it was supposed to go, and it's now kind of like trying to force it, trying to force its way up, or or it might eventually not be able to force its way up and just come all the way back down. What I want you to wait is for like a really strong, either bearish candle bullish or bearish, because I'm seeing all this friction going on here. I want to just wait for like my next candle. If my next candle is definitely going up, I'm in. I promise you, I'm in. Let's see what happens on our next candle. Okay, that's not a good sign. That's a doji candle, so usually it's gonna be like a reversal in trend. But once again, maybe you don't notice. So either way, you're looking at that candle, that's not a good candle. That's not. You don't even know what's going on with that candle. Is it buying? Is it selling? Like, what are we doing? You feel me? All right, boom. Okay, so now that's definitely not the candle you wanted to see. This is still not given. I just don't like the closest of my stochastic, but I am feeling more confident we are going to be buying. My blue and red are about to cross. So one more candle, y'all. Just give me one more candle. Okay, another freaking doji candle. Y'all see this? Yeah, no. And remember what I was telling y'all, I didn't like how my stochastic was looking, and it definitely crossed. And now it looks like red is above blue. Okay, y'all see this reversal? So we might be selling, but what I want to see happen on this sell is I need everything to set up. So I need red to cross over blue. I need everything to be below my trend line, because now we are doing the opposite. And then my stochastic is already looking perfect. So let's see. No, that didn't happen. So let's keep waiting. Okay, nope, not yet. Okay, this looks like a buy, but if y'all watched my previous video, remember I told you I do not like when my blue and my red line are kind of just straight. I like to have them either you're facing up or you're facing down. If we're just straight, it kind of tells me there's no sense of direction right now. We're either consolidating. Oh, I hope that's that word right. I feel like I got a headache. Okay, down. Okay, so now we're just waiting, honestly. But at this point, what time is it? It's 4 p.m. I'm definitely not looking at the market. I'm out, because I don't look at the market after a certain time, and this is really like a bad time to keep looking at the market, because remember 5, the market's about to close for like a couple whatever. So yeah, and it's still just a whole bunch of up and down. So let's just play and get to the next day, which is the 21st. So let's just fast forward this. Oh, wow. I just want to show y'all something. It actually did end up buying, because I felt like it was going to keep buying, but it had to break that resistance right there. Okay, it's now 10 a.m. Let's see. So let me fast forward to 11. We're waiting for 11. Okay, it's now 11. I feel like we are approaching a sell given how everything is looking. Boom, there we go. 11:30. Everything is definitely set up, so I'm getting in this for a sell. This is that. And let's see what happens. I'm gonna hit play. Okay, we hit TP of like 2 candles. Now I'm gonna move on to TP2, which is 200 or 2000, whatever you want to say. And then we're gonna hit play again. Okay. Damn, relax. Jeez. Okay, so you hit TP, but I want to go back into talking about, wow, she really dropped. I want to go back into talking about if you knew something about trends, something about resistance and support. You're like, okay, let me move on to like an hour. And then I can zoom this. So remember, this was our last high. We broke that high, we went up above it, but then we started coming back down. So coming back down, we definitely broke down past where this level is. Maybe I should draw like a line. So this is where you would think like, okay, this is my line or my limit, maybe, I guess I could say. So once you finally break this limit, you should be feeling, especially looking at how strong and bearish, no, bullish. Is it bullish or bearish? Oh my gosh. I can never get it. Bearish, bullish. Okay, looking at how strong these red candles are, these sale candles, now you should be kind of thinking like, how far down do you think it's gonna go? Me, I'm thinking, honestly, just seeing from this, I'm thinking here. I'm thinking we're gonna go as far down as that. Yeah, I'm thinking we're gonna go as far down as that. I'm thinking we're gonna go through some resistance or some whatever along the way, but I think we are definitely going back down. Just looking at how strong these candles are, looking at that, I'm like, okay, yeah, we're in for it. So you being you and being a beginner, don't really know much, you would have TP'd, you know, TP1, TP2, you got it, you're done for the day. I don't like trading Fridays. I've already expressed this to y'all. I do not trade Fridays. Fridays are wishy-washy, but I will say Fridays usually work with US30, but NAS is always a hit or miss. If you're in my signal channel, you will not get a trade on Friday, but if you purchase the strategy, you can do whatever, you can trade whenever you want, honestly. Anyways, let's play this and wait to the next day, which is the 22nd, 11 a.m. But just watch and see if this goes. Okay, so I did say it's gonna be some like resistance where some, you know, something. Okay, let's pause. She definitely did go further down, but I'm still anticipating she's coming back as low as this, where I drew up that black line. But anyways, it's not, oh, it's only 8, my fault. Okay, so it's now 11, but I just want to show you guys, did I not say it's going to come as far back down as this black line? So now it's probably going to be a bit of some back and forth. The same thing that happened right here is a bit of like back up and down, just because it wasn't sure if it wants to go all the way down, but it didn't want to go all the way down, but because there's like resistance around that area. So if you knew what you're doing, you would have got in from right here like you were supposed to and went all the way down, and you would have literally bagged $10,000 on a 0.01 lot size, you guys. Okay, now we're waiting. And it just broke my line, so that's interesting. So we actually might still be selling, but anyways, you're not worried about the lines or whatever. You're looking at this. So I couldn't get in this candle right here because the stochastic was still buying, but now looking at this next candle, everything is set up. Red is above blue, everything is under my trend line, and you can barely see it, but it looks like they about to cross TP1. Mind you, this is Friday, y'all. This is Friday. TP1 is blah, blah, blah. So let's see what happens. I feel like it's going to be like, I'm about to say it's going to be like easy. Okay, we definitely had like a bit of retracement there, but we secured the TP. Now let's see if it's going to hit TP2. Okay, I think it will because we're like literally already there. Okay, boom. Relax. Whoa. Dang, y'all, this market was selling. Let me go back and make sure. Friday was the 22nd. Today's the 23rd. Market just closed like yesterday. Please make sure you like this video, you guys. Share this video. Comment. Like, please comment. Even the bad comments, I take them all. And check my description and join the Telegram link to, well, the link to my Telegram Signals channel, so you can join my Signals channel, or contact me. I have my email in there. Contact me on my email if you're interested in purchasing the strategy. It's been going really great lately. I can't even hold you. It's been great. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.